is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. And today on El Yonke, we're gonna be doing a little bit more cutting because I started driving it a little bit more and we have some rubbing issues in the back. Alright guys, as y'all can see, this is where it's rubbing and it's already going through on the fender, on the rear inner fender. I already cut this side, as y'all can see, and look, this is where it was rubbing, guys. So we're gonna take care of that. Now I did get some measurements off online off of the wheel tubs that I'm gonna get, so I wouldn't have to cut too much, because you don't want to cut too much and then be filling in with metal. So right now I'm only gonna cut the stock inner rear fender for now, and then hopefully that's enough. As y'all can see, I have everything ready. Safety first, guys. Batteries are all charged up and everything, so let's cut that side. Also, guys, I got that cheap cover on it. Hopefully the sparks won't go into the driver's side or passenger side. Hopefully it'll stop them. So yeah, let's get to cutting. Alright guys, quick update. I got half of it cut already, but my tool got hot and the battery got hot, so it doesn't want to charge the battery because it's too hot. So I'm gonna give it a break, but we're almost there, guys. Almost. Alright guys, so after letting the tool cool down and the batteries cool down and then letting them charge, I finally got it done. So there it is, guys. Now I just gotta go around and trim a little bit more and she'll be good. Alright guys, day 2 of me cutting the inner rear fenders on El Yonke, which as soon as I got off of work, guys, I jumped on it. So I didn't record the rest of it, but it was pretty much the same what I was doing earlier, cutting, grinding, and I didn't want to show you all that, which, you know, it was spots here and there on the wheel wells that I needed to do it. But here it is, guys. It's all done, all cut up, both sides. And also I went around all the edges, you know, making sure I didn't have no sharp edges, you know, so we wouldn't, you know, we won't get a flat if, you know, the tire rubs, you know, here and there. The only bad thing about cutting all this up right now is actually the exhaust. It's literally right there, guys. So it's gonna be stupid loud inside, but it's part of it. You know, I'm not mad. I ain't complaining. So stay tuned, guys, for the upcoming videos where I'll be getting the wheel tubs and the doghouse, you know, so I can start covering all this up with sheet metal and getting all the panels back on there. Now, some panels I will have to cut because the wheel tubs will be a little bit higher, so I will have to trim some panels to make them fit, but you know, it's part of it. And so stay tuned, guys. Also, like the videos, guys. Comment. It helps out the algorithm. Let's get the views up. Like it, comment, and subscribe, guys. Because I'm not done with the Yonkers. Not even close. So y'all want to stick around, you know, for the upcoming videos. And y'all going to want to stay tuned. And follow me through the progress on this truck, guys. Because it just keeps getting sicker. And it's just going to keep on getting better. So y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment, all that stuff, guys. But for now, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.